Oh, that one was right over there.
Where'd Haley go? Take care of the crying baby that you heard?
Yeah, we were coming in.
I think it's intensity to this
Mountain.
time.
Sorry. 20 Mountain like this. We was hitting it. Fucking boom, 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 boom. Probably like 6 times.
Looks like the shutter was closed.
I used to live in Blue Tree.
Oh, that is badass.
That sucked. I just told him to check his shutter because I think it's closed. He flips it up and it just...
Battery's dying in it.
Is that what the shutter is closed though, isn't it? Yeah.
I hit some.
Well, I got
I wish I had a
minutes of
high def.
video.
Was that a pretty good spray of shit or?
Yeah. It was all the way across. All along the bottom of the cloud.
Hopefully I'm catching it and not catching something else because I can't see on my...
I didn't hear that one.
I wish I had the panoramic set up on this.
I do actually.
Double A?
Yep.
Oh, that was too good.
See, I like your screen better. You can see it.
Camera's like 3 months old, 4, 5, 6 months old. I'm trying to figure out what that bright blinking light is up top of town.
It's one
B
of those...
Street, dude. It's the tower off V Street.
Mm-hmm.
No,
That's the one that's flashing a lot.
Yeah.
that one over there is the Merlin.
That's the Maryland Airport. Yeah, the one way back there is the airport.
Wait, we're
I'm
are
talking
we
about the
still
one
in
that's like
Grants
parallel
Pass?
to the left of...
That's all Grants Pass. All the big town way back there, the little line of lights going up,
Yeah.
that's all Grants Pass out there. Okay, and the far right hand side over there by the edge of the mountain,
Yeah.
that's Fred Meyer's and Walmart and everything. Okay, and the line that's going straight up right there, that's 6th and 7th Street, downtown Grants Pass, that goes up to Denny's and stuff. And then the 4 lights way over there to the left, that's the hospital and the fairgrounds area.
It's all at
Murphy.
frickin' Sunny Valley and
No, what's that down there?
it's Murphy.
That's Murphy. That's your school's down there.
My school?
Yeah, I can see the school from here.
I can see the yard.
So can I.
I can't see that.
There's one point that I came
You
up
see
to.
that big cluster of lights? Not these
Those
right here in
orange
front of
ones?
us, no.
The ones back there?
The ones back there, next cluster of lights there.
Yeah, the
Now
store.
look to the left and you see that L-shaped field?
Yeah.
That's the school.
Oh.
It still
that was
amazes
cool.
me how the Merlin Airport's way back there. Isn't that weird? This doesn't feel like that's Merlin Airport. Because it's like way back there.
I don't think I'm gonna catch much anymore with this. Too light. Too
Is
light.
this yours?
Yeah?
Yeah. Leave that.
Weird, it's like these clouds aren't moving.
Does anyone want to see flowers?
I'm wondering whether or not it's going to do this shit and come back around. 'Cause that's what all the other clouds are doing.
Can't tell.
Check that radar, see if it's updated yet.
It takes a while for me to go.
These two have it. I think I have it too, but we have to pay for it.
Easy,
I don't have the plan. I have to pay for the kilobit.
yeah, we have one of them
Is it worth it? Or does it take forever everywhere?
my phone's pretty slow to do it, so I don't hardly ever use it. It was just we got a discount or whatever.
Discount on the first purchase of the phone.
Yeah, I had it and I never even used it. I still have the 25 picture messages, but Oregon berry. Something.
Is it safe to eat?
No, don't eat anything with that. Actually, it's Oregon grape. If I remember. It's Oregon grape. To me, it's not edible.
What happens if you do eat it?
there wasn't that close, was it? That was coming down.
Yeah.
It's doing it.
Little
Probably didn't get
blinking
that one, but
red
it's
light up there.
See if you can pull up the weather for Shady Cove. Don't, because when you do that, you move the angle of the video.
7:45.
Person's car? Or the empty park?
I don't think you should try, because I mean, you know, considering it's straight down a fucking mountain.
Exactly.
Just saying. Oh, that warm breeze feels good.
From looking at the tires, you might go that way. And leave it down that way.
I got needle hook on this shit.
We do have a breeze coming from over there, so
Oh,
Yeah.
good.
Well, I'm looking at the clouds now, because if you look at this now,
I'm
this is
in the
going
shirt that you gave me.
and if you look at that, that was up there, so I think it's, yeah, that was cool.
Damn.
I think it's all circling around.
it's freaking time.
Here.
Steve did that with his hand. It was just drawing out this thing.
You know what would be badass is to have one of those astronomer's lasers, like the 3-watt lasers. They're green, and you can light a cigarette with them. They're like $400 on eBay. They're pretty badass. The blue lasers are like $1,000. Fucking crazy.
There's the red.
I got a lighter.
20
$20.
bucks.
That I'll
Yeah,
sell
fine.
you on eBay. You got a lighter? Like this little thing right here. Hold this down. This is what shit's
That's
$500.
amazing.
Buy it now.
I don't know if you can sell lighters on eBay. I don't think you can. Maybe like Zippo. Or by full guys.
It would have to be
Yeah. They'd have to be empty.
Can you get off the car? You're bouncing the car around.
Could you be up with your stomach?
Can you whistle with your belly button?
Actually, I know Steve can answer
Speak
this
from
stuff.
your ass.
Fuck you, Jake.
Fuck you.
I could do it.
Let's see what I did on this.
Again?
I bought like almost everybody.
I'm gonna take the picture of you sitting in camp with no shirt on, going like that. And I'm gonna put it on my MySpace. This is my friend Jake.
I bought
is
almost
so
everyone I
happy.
could buy, and I put the link to the YouTube video on their message.